All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here with my brother, Debo D.
What's going on, guys?
What are we gonna be doing today? Well, we're gonna change it up a little bit. We're not gonna be doing the traditional older American muscle. We're actually gonna go ahead and take care of this 2020 Dodge Challenger RT Scatpack Widebody. And it's gonna wind up getting this MagnaFlow Xmod exhaust system. We're gonna do a step-by-step. I mean, you could get on YouTube and you could take a look. I have yet to see a video that actually did a step-by-step installation on something like this. So we're gonna remove the old exhaust system that's on here. Hopefully it's not too bad. I don't wanna jinx it. There's 5,000 miles on this car. It looks super clean underneath it. But I think we're also gonna install a short throw Barton shifter. So hang in there with us, guys. Stay tuned and more to come. All right, guys, so the Challenger is up on the lift. We're gonna go ahead and get underneath it. When I tell you that this is clean, like, I'm not joking. I'm gonna get under it right now. They said there's about 5,000 miles on the car in total. I'm gonna try not to cut this up. This right here is gonna be the biggest pain in the butt. I did spray it. It's been sitting for about 24 hours right now. But basically, once we get this off, I think these are 13 or 15 millimeter. We should be able to push it back. If not, worst case scenario, we'll just have to unbolt all of the exhaust hangers and we should be able to get it out. But stay tuned, guys. That MagnaFlow Xmod exhaust system, we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing on that as well, and we'll show you what's going on. Then we're gonna come back here to the mid-muffler, and we're gonna have to go ahead and take down the exhaust bracket. Hanger, I should say. And then we're gonna try to pull this out. This does have the active exhaust on it, 3 bolts here, here, and here. On each side, and then we could go ahead and mount that to the new Xmod. Hang in with us. So what we're looking at, guys, is back here with the factory tips, which we're not going to use. We're going to wind up using the carbon fiber tips because I am pretty sure we're not going to be able to get these to separate. I can tell you this kit does come with the piping if you wanted to use the factory, but I think the carbon fiber is going to look so much better. But what we're going to do is we're going to unbolt the actual exhaust hanger there and the exhaust hanger there, and I think we're just going to pull the whole thing down after we get the exhaust hangers disconnected. So Debo D went ahead, already disconnected these pigtails. This is for the active exhaust. There's one here. There's one here. We're gonna slide those out of the way. Don't damage them. And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna try to get the exhaust system actually pushed out right here on this side. And then the exact same thing right here. We're gonna try to do it the old school way and curse.
Yeah.
And try to get it out that way. Here we go. Guys, if you want us to fire it up, go ahead and smash that like button.
Yeah, smash the like button.
Make sure you subscribe, and we'll see what happens. All right, guys, this is what came out. This is the stock exhaust system right here. I didn't want to cut anything. Easiest thing we did is these were actually bolted to the frame itself. There was one here, 13 millimeter, and one there, 13 millimeter. That allowed these to actually drop down. Once they dropped down, there was two V-band clamps right here, and it came right out. I mean, luckily, this is Northeast PA. There was only 5,000 miles on this car. We got lucky. So guys, thanks for hitting the like and the subscribe button. It's gonna be loud.
Not as loud as I thought it was going to be.
It's loud. It is loud.
It's mellow.
This is the MagnaFlow Xmod exhaust system. A little out of breath, I'm old. So this took about, when I placed the order, it was back in November. I wound up not getting it until almost February. So this is custom made in America. It is made to order. This is not on an assembly line where they just go ahead, you order it, and they pick it. This is actually made per request. So this is the first time we're opening it. It's heavy as hell.
The packaging is nice, though.
Wow, look at that X-pipe.
There you go. Oh, we can actually do this in sections.
Yeah, this is for the back. This is that no drone stuff. Yeah, so we're gonna take this stuff apart. Now I can tell you that this kit, you can do this two different ways. You can do mufflers, or you can do what we're gonna do and say, F that, we're not doing mufflers. But it also includes the straight through pipes. So this car is gonna have a straight through exhaust. Can't wait. What do you think, Debo D?
It's, this should really only take us about 20 minutes. However, it's going to take us about 2 hours.
Hopefully that's not true. We do it by sections. This we might actually read the instructions.
No, we don't. We won't.
But hang in with us, guys. Alright guys, so there's the stock exhaust system right there. This is the MagnaFlow Xmod. Got the rear here, the other rear here. There's the X-pipe. We have one more box to open, Debo D. And we have yet to come into any instructions. So there's 1, 2. What do we got? Oh, this is where all the goodies are. Wow, so look at those carbon fiber tips.
Dude, that's sexy.
That's for the active exhaust right there. One on each side. All the clamps. Cool. There's the mufflers, but we're not doing that. We're going straight through because here on DeFonzi's garage and here with Debo D, we wouldn't have it any other way. Hey guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and show you this. So with the Xmod on the wide body cars, there's actually going to be a hanger relocation. So the hanger that we took off, hopefully you can see it, right here, is actually gonna get moved forward. I'll show you the exact location here in just a second. But remember, if you have a wide body car, you're gonna wind up doing this. This is what it looks like without the exhaust. Make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll go ahead and fire the car up without any exhaust. Guys, we're just doing a quick mock-up just to kind of see what it would look like in the car. Essentially, you're going to start with the X-pipe. There's going to be adapters that are going to go in there first. The longer side, which is right here, is actually going to be the passenger side. And clearly you have your driver's side. Then it goes into the traditional V-band clamps. And I can tell you, like, the build quality on this so far looks really, really good. We are going to go ahead and use some of this anti-seize. We're just going to put it on the inside of the pipes. Just so it makes, if we ever decided we were going to remove this, it makes it a little bit easier so they don't freeze. Alright guys, in the process right now of getting the active exhaust moved over here. That's what I'm going to knock out now. Alright guys, this is what I was talking about before with the bracket relocation. So this, hopefully you can see it, this exhaust hanger was actually all the way back here and it was threaded in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to take the supply bracket, this black bracket right here, you're going to disconnect, I believe this was a 13 millimeter right here. You're then going to put the exhaust hanger with this bracket right here, but you're also going to do the exact same thing on the passenger side. So this is what's here now. That's the stock bracket that was there, but we need to take the bracket from the exhaust hanger and you're going to put it right there. The kit comes with two, passenger side and driver's side. All right guys, so far we have the X pipe up right now. This car does have the active exhaust, so you want to make sure that you transfer this from the stock exhaust to the MagnaFlow. Ours is in the open position. There's a spring right back here. You just want to make sure that that actually lines up. Hopefully you can see that. But I want to show you this. All right guys, so this is the exhaust hanger bracket relocation. So this hanger was originally all the way here. Right there where you see that threaded hole, literally right there. It came with this black bar. This black bar needs to actually be put right here with the exhaust hanger. So you're gonna have this black bar. You're gonna take the one that came on the car, which would be this one. You're gonna take that off. You're gonna put the one that came with it here along with the exhaust hanger. And this is the passenger side, the exact same thing. So that's what it looks like. You're going to take that off, you're going to do the exhaust relocation hanger, put it right where that bolt is, literally here. And you should be ready to rock and roll. I don't think that looks bad. All right, guys, we're officially at the point of no return. The Xmod is officially in. None of us have heard it yet. I'm here with Debo D. I'm here with my boy Goobs.
Nobody's heard it yet.
No. Exhaust sounds great. I sat on a panic. Alright guys, that is pretty much going to wrap up the MagnaFlow Xmod exhaust. For those that didn't catch it, we'll save this for the blooper reel, but we had the tips on wrong. They're good now, that's what they should look like. I'll link where they were in there backwards, but I shouldn't say backwards, opposite side. But that is it. Sounds amazing. And it wasn't too hard to install.